As-suhfa means newspapers. Newspapers and magazines. Yes. And magazine. Magazine. Majallat you have written after that you are not knowing. And magazines. So I'm not telling again because Sohaf and Majallat both meaning I have told you. So I will not tell. Again and again I'm saying you are not trying to listen. Sohaf means newspapers, Majallat means magazines. So they read and read newspapers and magazines. وَيَسْتَعِيرُونَ الْكُتُبَ مُقَابِلَ بِطَاقَاتِ الْإِسْتِعَارَةِ and they are borrowing the books in exchange of issued cards. وَتُعِيرُ I am not going to tell because all word meaning I told day before yesterday. Now you are not writing any meaning, you are not writing, not memorizing. How many times istiara word came? First time this is coming. Huh? This word coming first time. Aira Fatma, you know, you तो don't know anything, है ना? You are बस only you are asking daily. Istara yastairo to borrow and is bitaqatil istiara. I have written that this is issued card. So in exchange of issued card, they borrowed the books. وَتُعِيرُ لَهُمُ الْمَكْتَبَةُ الْكُتُبَ لِأُسْبُوعَيْنِ and library gives them books for 2 weeks. وَإِذَا تَأَخَّرُوا listen carefully. إِذَا تَأَخَّرُوا فَلَا تُفْرَزُ عَلَيْهِمُ الْغَرَامَةُ and if they are late, so fine will not be assumed for them. On them, fine will not be assumed. Okay? तो यूरो लहुमुल मकतबतुल कुतुबा ले उसबुआइने library gives them books for 2 weeks and if they are late وإذا تأخروا and if they are late فلا تفرض عليهم الغرامة तो then fine will not be assumed for them or on them. Okay, so I am translating again. Marratan lam yarudda talibun min zumalai kitaban. Once a student from my colleagues did not return the book. Awwalan nabbahahu mudirul maktabati. First, the manager of the or librarian warned him. Wakala yazimu an tu'idul kitaba gadan. And he said, you should return the book tomorrow. فبحث طالب الكتاب في حقيبته. So the student searched the book in his bag وفي بيته أيضا and in his house also ولكنه لم يجده but he did not get it or find it. مضت 5 أيام في البحث. 5 days passed in search ففرض عليه الغرامة بمعدل 5 روبيات عن كل يوم. So fine was assumed for him on a rate of 5 rupees per day. ولكن المبلغ كان كبيرا للطالب فرفعت القضية إلى ناظر المدرسة فصفح عنه الغرامة. But the amount was big for the student, so the case was raised to the principal of the school and the fine was forgiven from him. So he forgive the fine or pardon the fine. Ammal mudarrisuna, this you have read. As for the teachers, فَيَزُورُونَهَا فِي سَاعَاتِهِمِ الْفَارِغَةِ so they visit it in their free periods. وَيَقْرَؤُونَ الصُّحُفَ وَالْمَجَلَّاتِ and they read newspaper and magazines. Newspapers and magazine they read. وَيَسْتَعِيرُونَ الْكُتُبَ بِمُقَابَلَةِ بِطَاقَاتِ الْإِسْتِعَارَةِ. And they borrowed the book in exchange of the issued card. وَطُيِّرُ لَهُمُ الْمَكْتَبَةُ الْكُتُبَ. And the library gives them book لأسبوعين for 2 weeks. وإذا تأخروا فلا تفرض عليهم الغرامة. If they are late, and if they are late, so then the fine is not assumed for them. Okay. Now, what we have to do? We have to do exercise. Start doing exercise. Yes. Exercise first. Ira, please wait. Let the question read. Because that's why you are not understanding anything, because you are not paying attention to what is going on in class. You are doing what you want to do. Abdullah, what you are do you want to ask? Yes. Okay. في أي أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. First question is there. أجب عن الأسئلة الآتية. Answer the following questions. في أي وقت يذهب التلاميذ إلى المكتبة. First question is there. At which time students go to the library? So, in their